Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all a very quick lip balm formulation here. Now I have shared a couple of lip balms before as well, but this is something different. Today we are going to be making a lip balm with ghee, and this is for people with highly chapped lips, for moisturizing, nourishing the lips, for removing pigmentation from the lips naturally. This is an excellent lip balm for curing all these problems. So I'm going to be sharing with you all a basic lip balm formulation for all the beginners who would like to give this a try with the good nourishing oils and butters. These formulations are done during our workshops. These are a little more advanced formulations. So for those who would like to join my workshops, you can WhatsApp me on the number that's given in the description box. Now, to make this lip balm, I have a blend of waxes of mine here. Here I have taken candela wax, a little bit of beeswax, and I have a little bit of emollients, which is very good and moisturizing for the lips, as well as they are thickening agents for our lip balm. For the oils, I have taken nourishing oils like almond and jojoba oil, along with a little bit of shea butter. Butter you can replace any of your choice, and I have also added a little bit of my ghee to this oils here. Now I'm going to quickly go ahead and heat this and we'll make our lip balm. Okay, so I've gone ahead and heated all our ingredients here, all the waxes, the thickeners, the oils, and we have a solution like this ready. Now I'll quickly go ahead and add my vitamin E to this. Now vitamin E helps as an antioxidant so that your oils in the formulation in your lip balm doesn't get rancid. It doesn't start giving out any type of oil smell. So that is the reason why we add a little bit of vitamin E to this. If you wish to add any flavor oil, you can go ahead and add that. If you wish to add any little bit of shimmer pieces, shimmer particles, mica, pigment, you can go ahead and add that too and enhance your lip balm. So I'm just giving this a nice mix, and we'll go ahead and quickly put this in our container and we'll let it cool down. Okay, so I've gone ahead and put this in the container, and I'm just going to let this settle down till this completely sets, and then I'll show you how the lip balm looks. Okay, so we've left this to set for a while, for around half an hour, and now our lip balm seems to be very nicely set, and you can see how creamy it is. Very nice and creamy, moisturizing for your lips, not like the regular hard lip balms. These are very soft and very gentle on the lips. Also this contains ghee, as I said, which is highly nourishing and moisturizing for your lips. So friends, if you like what I share with you all, if you all want me to share more such variations, different types of skincare products with you all, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.